Hi, my name is Jose. Welcome to another show more about my video log of the second part. This time we'll talk about the materials or construction and chemistry class. These two subjects were awards to expound on the as they are considered interesting. The first matter that the construction will expose you since where we are looking at way um, of how we can get phone workers units units. Phone workers is a set of false work and temporary molds that serve to support and shape the construction of the concrete elements bit. Um, the molds is the part of the arch that serves to confine and model fresh concrete according to the lines and levels specifying the project during the time is reaching is present resistance of the false wall which is part of the arch holding stable to the molds in place weddings wagons brakesmans openings arrastres stools bars y braxins. mm, Forward wooden molds are used more for its economy, easy of using, etc. Pine wood is generally used only if the region other cheaper wood is found deals. Mm, to use wood place after instead smearing with oil or diesel burning leather. So so that the concrete is not sticking to the formwork. Also, before pouring concrete formwork with for this the not removed water needed for its setting and for the wood to swell. Plugging together from board to board two times of formwork. The company appearance. Um, the formwork based average when the element llevará some kind of the coating for this towel about 10 something. The area say white hot putting into and termination board status. Apparent apparent formwork used when the concrete element to remain in sick. Usually done urs brushing on cara and two songs being very careful in termination boards and tables. This time this type of the formwork will be user ready. The the formwork is measured is in foot plan which is a unit equal to 1 foot be 1 foot be 1 inch. O sea, is a unit equals to 1 foot be 1 foot be 1 inch. There is no standard in the formwork. Depends the place where also going to put definition you want to give structure. Usually finishing rustic plan 1 foot wide and 8 feet long in apparent surface, featured such as plywood reinforced with planks or contacts areas are used. The importance of the shoring measures are to scale the site unit would because would rents do not lie to high is because their usage is limited to 5 applications which are in contact with concrete and then uses the new building class like me much because I learned a lot about the area that I'm wearing. There is nothing I don't like in the class. The second matter of which we speak is chemistry. Chemistry that is matter again. If one the other biolog thought about it, because this area has a wide range of topics that we find the first speak as already mentioned in past show. This we this we saw or learning about the basic reactions in the SEDI days. We saw the nomenclature, the periodic table, balances, and stoichiometry. The objective of the class is to learning the basic of chemistry and chemistry. You need to continue and write chemical formulas, the periodic table of the elements table classifies organisms and distribute the various chemical elements according to their properties and characteristics. Its main function is to establish a specific order grouping elements. I think the nomenclature is more important than you hazing the author. With this, I will learn to read or chemical formulas also for components. A series of rules or formulas that are used to name our the elements and chemical compounds. Concurrenting the UPAC International Unit of Pure and Applied Chemistry is the highest authority on chemical nomenclature, which is responsible for establishing the appropriate rules. Each chemical common to are properties that characterize a number of substances, enabling differences from the other function. Such substances is on specific behavior chemical process. For example, oxys, salts, hydroxys. The stoichiometry is the calculation of quantitative relationship between reactants and products in the course of a chemical reaction. This relationship can be deduced from the atomic theory. Although historical, we stay with a reference to the composition of matter according to different laws and principles. And finally, we have this means balancing a chemical equation. To balance it is to match the numbers and types of atoms, ions, or molecules, reactants, products. The purpose the purpose of the law of conservation of masses meat. To to achieve these equality stoichiometric coefficients, which are a large number that are placed in front of the symbols or formulas to indicate the number of elements or components involved in the chemical reaction, are used not be confused with the subscription standing on the symbol or chemical formulas, and they indicate the number of atoms they make of the substances if the coefficients are modified. Changing the equation of the substances would if the descriptions are a chances different substance origins. The king of chemistry I like because I am interested in the topic of the atoms and bonds between the to form new components. If some kind of chemistry is very tedious, we many use it, but over time I think it can be useful because we can use it. Good for for me this will be our hope you like is in this capsule. Thank you.